Duol marango rang'iny mar mwandu pacho ka KEBS okwayo Jokenya mondo obed motang' kendo nene ginyiewo mwandu ma rang'iny margi opuodhi. Ka giloso gi jofwambo e kinde timo tiegruok kaka japiny nyalo fwenyo mwandu manikare, John Kabwe ma en maneja mayango rang'iny mar mwandu e duolno oyango ni chiro ma pacho ka ni kod mwandu moko magalagala ma ok opuodhi manyalo hinyo oganda. Okwayo Jokenya mondo kinde duto obed motang' kendo kwayogi ni mondo ka ginyiewo mwandu to girang kido mar KEBS kata gior ote machok ne kambino mar fwenyo kapo ni mwandu mousnegi en mano makare.
Want to facilitate trade. That is, we write standards, and standards are there so that trade can be facilitated. Products are able to move from one country to another, or they are able to give the best results when we use them by use of standards. The other thing we are doing is consumer protection. We want to make sure that the products that are outside there, they are safe. An imported product, we have something called the import standardization mark. It will be on the commodity. You can look at it. It has a number. That is a UCR number. That is unique number for that commodity. That is based on the import documents that were brought in. Before you make a purchase, verify whether that product is certified with the Kenya Bureau of Standards. You can do this easily. You can go to an SMS code that we go to the Safaricom, if you have a Safaricom line. And then you can just send a message to 20023. And the message there is SM hash. And then you look at the permit number below the S mark there. And you send it. It will return a message.